Today we're gonna be making strawberry pie.
Like and subscribe if you like this video. Now let's get started.
Hooray!
So Savannah, pour in 1.5 cup of graham cracker crumble. Go ahead.
Into the bowl.
Oh,
That's cool. That looks like sand.
And next one. Now, 1/4 of sugar.
1/4 cup of sugar.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
it looks like a snowy mountain.
Yeah.
That
And now 6 tablespoons of butter.
melted butter. Get the spatula if you need it.
Pour it all in. It smells really good. Thank you for holding it.
Here, I'll hold it. You just scoop it.
Falling out the sides.
Savannah, no.
And let's just even it
Get the
out
stuff
a
off the
bit.
thing.
Okay, it's been evened out a bit.
A bit. So I'm fanning out the pie crumble stuff, and I'm like pushing into place until it sets into like a pie crust mold.
Just try to make sure they
It's
don't
kinda
break into any holes.
It's kind of satisfying, honestly.
Yes.
There we go. I think it's pretty much good. This is ready to be put in the fridge for the next 30 minutes.
Now we're going to slice the strawberries.
Do this one?
I don't know why I like strawberries so much. It's so fun.
Not this far.
Oh gosh, just let's go.
You use this far.
Cutting strawberries is pretty fun. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh, it's a baby strawberry. I'm gonna try and keep as much of it as I can.
Hey, look. I think I can cut tiny pieces.
Nothing got over to them? Not this part. And the strawberry over
Want a
to them.
snack?
Okay.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
You can eat that.
Other way. Other way. Hold it down like this. Yep. Wash your hand fingers. Okay. Now. Okay, good
I should have
job.
strawberries.
Okay, so DT, I'm going to hand you the ingredients.
I thought you were gonna pour them in. You pour them in, I mix.
Here's 1 cup of sugar.
Okay. Put that in. That's a
lot of
sugar.
Two and a half-
little one. I'd boop you, but I have sugar on this.
2.5 cups of cornstarch.
Okay, gotta
Right in
mix
there.
that.
And
Give me a sec, I gotta mix this.
slowly pour in 1.5 cups of water.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. So,
It's very hot. Is this to help you measure? Ow! It's really hot. Also, be very careful. This is very hot.
try not to burn myself. is a strawberry jello.
So, Sophie, Zoe.
Hold the spatula.
Okay, don't. Yeah. Hold this. Do not lick it and do not eat it.
Now we're going to pour all that in. That looks so satisfying.
That was really fun to pour. Here, can I have a spatula, Sophie? Here, Sophie, can you hold it?
Spatula alert! Spatula alert!
Now you try and scoop everything in. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's such a cool consistency. I've never seen Jello do this.
Can I try? Oh, it smells so good!
Okay, you stir, I'll hold.
Now I have to put the strawberries in the pie.
This needs to go into the fridge until it's set.
It looks delicious. We'll be back.
2 hours later.
It smells so good, I just want to eat it.
I just wanted to eat it right now.
Okay, shall we cut it?
Yes.
I really like the jelly because it's like, it has a weird thick consistency, but I like it.
It was so fun to make and it turned out so yummy. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for
dog
watching.
pouch.
I'm eating right now.